Hello, I wanted to show you the plan for this 8th grader. We have her on teaching textbooks for pre-algebra, and I think it matches much better than previous grades. And I have on here a plan for when it doesn't. This is what I used to teach her, and we went along with it together until she mastered it, did some IXL. She's also assigned IXL and Study Island. So just a combo of teaching textbooks, IXL, and Study Island Mastery. She does not have any in the NWEA learning path for math. As you can see, it starts going hand in hand with Study Island more toward the end of the book. So what I've done every time we meet is pick some here at the end to go over and teach her together, just kind of to make the end less all at once for her. She is currently following, she's using Apex for English, and she has turned in one of the essays, and I assigned the argumentative essay last week, and we will go over that next week when she turns it in. And then in the spring we're going to do informative and then narrative in that order, and then one more practice essay before her state test. In her folder there was also these documents. I gave her a tab just for IXL and Study Island, and she had one for science, exactly what IXL to do, and once she was finished with these IXL all the way down to describe energy, we were ready to take chemical reactions. When we meet, that's whenever we do the Study Island, and we see if she's finished the IXL standards she's supposed to. I also printed one for math. And with teaching textbooks, it doesn't perfectly go in order. So we've kind of had to change the dates a little bit on her copy to where it makes more sense to her. But she is on the IXL Study Island path for math. And she's on it for English. And again, she's doing Apex for the learning, IXL for the practice, Study Island for the mastery. And she has no English standards to pass in the bridge either. So when we meet, we're going over the IXL standards that are low for her, and we're seeing what she's ready to take in Study Island. For example, last week we did waves, wave characteristics, and she scored 100 on that. But we had to look up some brain pop videos to help us both learn that one. But she is very much on a curriculum IXL Study Island pathway for success this year.